Hello, hi. I can explain the power of Islamic head is very humiliate in world matters. Can you define? I am wrong. First of all, we watched after 9/11 in millions Muslims were killed by Americans and NATO. Every Islamic state sit in the lap of American, Russian and Chinese policies. Any Islamic state is not veto power in United Nations. Every Islamic state use Christianity calendar January February. It's mean 1,000 American and Israeli heads equal to 1 million Muslim heads like what Gaza.